Hello everyone, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Max class. This is continuation of logarithmic differentiation class. When we use logarithmic differentiation? We use logarithmic differentiation in two cases. First one, when given function is product of two or more functions, then we use logarithmic differentiation. In last class, whatever the problems we did, in all the problems, when given function is product of two or more functions, how to use logarithmic differentiation. That is what we learned in last class. And second case, when given function is of the form f of x power g of x, like x power x power sin x, log x power sin x. When given function is of the form f of x power g of x, then how to use logarithmic differentiation. In this class, I am going to do 4 problems. First problem is when the given function is product of two or more functions, then how we use logarithmic differentiation. And remaining 3 problems are when the given function is of the form f of x power g of x, then how we use logarithmic differentiation. Before going to start this video, please drop a like for this video. Without much delay, let's begin the class. You observe this fourth question. If y equal to cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x, then find dy by dx. When given function is product of two or more functions, then we use logarithmic differentiation. Here, in this question, you can observe given function is product of 3 functions. So, we can calculate dy by dx by using logarithmic differentiation. Given function is what? Y equal to cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. This is the given function. Okay, what I'll do, I'll apply logarithm to this on both sides. First step, taking logarithms on both sides. Take logarithm on both sides. When I take logarithm on both sides, this is log y base e equal to logarithm of cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. What I did here, I just applied logarithm to this on both sides. You observe here, this is logarithm of ABC. You know the formula, log mn base a is log m base a plus log n base a. So if I apply the same formula here, logarithm of ABC can be written as log a plus log b plus log c. That step I'll write now. Log ABC written as log a plus log b plus log c. Actually, I need to calculate dy by dx now. For that, I need to differentiate. Now, I'll differentiate this equation with respect to x on both sides. I just written d by dx to this part. That means I'm going to differentiating this with respect to x. Now, differentiation of this right hand side part. As you know, basic differentiation, the differentiation of this whole thing is nothing but differentiation of each and every term. That what I am going to write. D by dx of this whole expression is nothing but d by dx of log of cos x plus log of cos 2x plus d by dx of log of cos 3x. I hope you are understanding. Now, I need to differentiate this. Please observe this clearly. D by dx of log y base e. That means d by dx means I am differentiating with respect to x, but the given function is in terms of y. Please observe this. We already learned this type of things in a chain rule differentiation. However, I'll explain here again. As the given function is in terms of y, this is in terms of x. What I'll do, I'll imagine this as x. You imagine this as x, then it looks like log x base e. What is derivative of log x base e? Derivative of log x base e is 1 by x. So, d by dx of log y base e is 1 by y into, this is in terms of y na, we are differentiating with respect to x na. So, what we will write into dy by dx. This is, we already learned in earlier classes. Okay, equal to. Now, I need to differentiate this part. Now, I need to differentiate this one. D by dx of log of cos x base e. Here again, I am going to use chain rule differentiation. Chain rule differentiation is very, very important in differentiation chapter. We learned how to differentiate these things in chain rule differentiation. What I'll do, I'll imagine this as x. If you imagine this as x, it looks like log x. It looks like log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Na? So what it will become? Derivative of log of cos x is 1 by cos x into which one you imagined as x, you need to differentiate it. Derivative of cos x. Derivative of cos x is what? Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. I hope you are understanding. Plus, now I need to differentiate this. See, it's very easy. Only chain rule differentiation you need to know. That's it. Here what I'll do, I'll imagine this as x. Then it looks like log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So this is 1 by cos 2x into which one you imagined as x, you need to differentiate it. You learned this in chain rule differentiation. What I need now? Derivative of cos 2x. I don't have any direct formula. Again, I am going to use chain rule differentiation. For example, you see derivative of cos 2x. I don't have any direct formula. I'll use chain rule differentiation. You imagine this as x. It looks like cos x. Derivative of cos x is what? Minus sin x. So derivative of cos 2x is what? Derivative of cos 2x is minus sin 2x into which one you imagined as x, you need to differentiate. Derivative of 2x is what? Derivative of 2x is 2. Okay. Plus. I hope you are all understanding this. Now d by dx of log of cos 3x base c. Now again, you imagine this as x. You imagine this as x. It is of the form log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x now. So what you will get here? 1 divided by cos 3x into derivative of cos 3x. What is derivative of cos 3x? Derivative of cos 3x is minus sin 3x into derivative of 3x. Chain rule differentiation. Derivative of 3x is 3. I hope you all understanding. Now what I need? I need dy by dx. I need dy by dx. Now what I'll do? I'll take y to this side. Then what you will get? Y into, what is y? Y is cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x na. So in place of y, I'll write that cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. I hope you are understanding. Into plus of minus is minus. Sin x divided by cos x is what? Sin x divided by cos x is tan x. Plus of minus is minus. Sin 2x divided by cos 2x is what? Sin 2x divided by cos 2x is tan 2x. Tan 2x into, here 2 is there na, that 2 I will write here. So when I simplify this, what I am getting? Minus 2 tan 2x I am getting. Similarly, you simplify this, what you will get? Similarly, if I simplify this, plus of minus is minus. So what you will get here? Minus 3 into tan 3x. So in the question, what they are asking? If y equal to cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x, what is dy by dx? What is dy by dx? dy by dx is cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x into minus of tan x into minus 2 tan 2x into minus 3 tan 3x. I hope you understand this. These logarithmic differentiation problems are little lengthy, but actually they are very easy if you know the basics. Especially if you know chain rule differentiation, these things can be done very easily. Now next problem. When we use logarithmic differentiation, when given function is product of two or more functions, then we use logarithmic differentiation. Whatever the 4 problems we did now, they comes to first type. Second type, when given function is of the form f of x power g of x, then also we use logarithmic differentiation. You please try to understand this. Y equal to x power sin x, then find dy by dx. You observe this question. Given function is of the form f of x power gx, x power sin x. If you understand one problem of this type, you can do remaining all problems very easily. This is the first problem in logarithmic differentiation. When the given function is of the form f of x power g of x, please try to understand this clearly. If y equal to x power sin x, then find dy by dx. That is the question. Okay, what I will do for this, first I will take given information. What they given? Y equal to x power sin x. Now, how we will calculate dy by dx? By using logarithmic differentiation. First thing, first step, whenever the given function is of the form f of x power g of x, to calculate its derivative, first thing, take logarithms on both sides. For this, you take logarithms on both sides. Then what you will get? Log y base e equal to logarithm of x power sin x base c. If you want, you can write one more step here. After this, taking logarithms on both sides. That step also you can write if you want. Okay, I just taken logarithms to this equation on both sides. Now, this is the formula every time we use very frequently. In logarithms chapter, we learned this formula. Logarithm of a power m base b is m into log a base b. This is the formula we use very frequently in this logarithmic differentiation. Here, log y base c, this I will write as it is, log y base c equal to, you observe, logarithm of a power m form, logarithm of a power m. What is logarithm of a power m? M into log a base c na. So what it is, this will become sin x into log x base e, m into log x base c. I hope you understand this. To get dy by dx, I will differentiate this equation with respect to x on both sides. differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Differentiating with respect to x on both sides is nothing but I'll just write d by dx to this on both sides. D by dx of log y base c equal to d by dx of sin x into log x base c. As I need to differentiate this with respect to x on both sides, I just written d by dx to this on both sides. How to differentiate this? You observe in last problem also we did this. Here y is there, we are differentiating with respect to x. You imagine this as x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Na? D by derivative of log y is 1 by y. You write like this first. 1 by y into, as this function is in terms of y, we are differentiating with respect to x. As both are different, you just write dy by dx. This we learned in previous classes also. Equal to. Now, how to differentiate this part? Here you can observe product of two functions is there. UV rule. What is derivative of UV? U into derivative of V plus V into derivative of U. Instead of that, you just simply first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. You remember like that, easily you can write. First function, you write like this. Sin x into derivative of second function. Derivative of log x base c. Derivative of log x base c is 1 by x. First function into derivative of second function is over. Plus second function. Second function log x base c into derivative of sin x. Derivative of sin x is what? Derivative of sin x is cos x. What happened here? Just applied product rule. First function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. What I need? I need dy by dx. See here, 1 by y is there. Na? This y I will take it to the right hand side. So, what I will get here? Dy by dx equal to, you take this y to the right hand side. Okay, y. What is y? Y is x power sin x. Y is x power sin x into, I hope you are understanding, into, what you got here? Sin x into 1 by x. This is sin x divided by x plus log x base c into cos x. So, if y equal to x power sin x, then dy by dx is x power sin x into sin x divided by x plus log x base c into cos x. So I am going to do another two problems of same type. You please observe this question number 6. Differentiate x power x with respect to x. Here x power x, it is of the form f of x power g of x. So to differentiate this, we use logarithmic differentiation. If you observe last problem and this problem, small difference is there. In last problem, they given y equal to x power sin x. In this problem, they not given something like that. It's okay, no problem. To differentiate this function, first what I'll do, I'll take a given function as y. I taken x power x as y. What they are asking in the question? They are asking differentiate x power x. They are asking differentiate x power x with respect to x. That means actually they are asking this. But as I consider this x power x as y, I need to calculate d by dx of y. d by dx of y is nothing but dy by dx. I hope you are understanding. Now what happened here? Given function I taken as y, y equal to x power x. At the end what I need dy by dx. Once you taken given function as y and it is of the form f of x power g of x, first thing what you need to do, you take logarithms to this on both sides. You can write a step here, taking logarithms on both sides. But I am not writing, I am writing direct step. I am taking logarithms to this on both sides. Log y base c is equal to logarithm of x power x base c. Okay, in almost all the problems, I am going to use this formula. Logarithm of a power m base b is what? Is m into log a base b. Apply that formula to this. First, this one I will write as it is. Log y base c equal to logarithm of a power m form. Logarithm of a power m is m into log a. Na? So, this can be written as x into log x base c. What I need to find? As I taken this as y, I need to find dy by dx. To get dy by dx, I'll differentiate this equation with respect to x on both sides. Differentiating with respect to x on both sides is nothing but you just write dy by dx to this equation on both sides like this. dy by dx of log y base c equal to dy by dx of x into log x base c. Differentiating with respect to x on both sides is nothing but just write d by dx to this equation on both sides like this. Now you observe this is the third time we are getting like this, d by dx of log y base c. This function is in terms of y, we are differentiating with respect to x. So you imagine this as x. If you imagine this y as x, it looks like log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So derivative of log y is 1 by y into, as this function is in terms of y, we are differentiating with respect to x. As these two are different, we will write it as dy by dx. This we learned in previous classes also. Now comes to this part, dy dx of x into log x base c. Here product of two functions is there. Product of two functions, x is first function, log x base c is second function. What is the product rule? Dy dx of uv is u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. Instead of that, first function x into derivative of second function. Derivative of log x base c is what? 1 by x plus second function log x base c into derivative of first function. Derivative of x with respect to x is what? Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. To do these problems, basic differentiation is compulsory. In case if you are not good in basic differentiation, first learn the basic differentiation and then come to this. Okay, now here xx will get cancelled. What we are trying for? We are trying to find dy by dx. What is dy by dx from this? Dy by dx equal to, here you take y to this side. What is y actually? Y is x power x na? So x power x into what is remaining here? 1 plus log x base c. Here to understand, I'll write one more step. Dy by dx is nothing but d by dx of y na? Dy by dx is nothing but d by dx of y. What is y? Y is x power x. So d by dx of x power x is what? X power x into 1 plus log x base c. So they are asking to differentiate x power x with respect to x. What is the derivative of x power x with respect to x? Is x power x into 1 plus log x base c. I hope you understand this. One more problem is remaining in this class, that is also of the form f of x power g of x. You observe this question number 7. Differentiate log x power cos x with respect to x. This problem, last problem is similar problems. What thing you need to observe here, given function is of the form f of x power g of x. When given function is of the form f of x power g of x, to differentiate it, we use logarithmic differentiation. Okay, so first what I'll do, to calculate derivative of this function, first I'll take given function as y equal to log x power cos x. I taken given function as y. What they are asking? They are asking differentiate log x power cos x. Differentiate log x power cos x. As I taken this expression as y, I need to calculate dy by dx of y. Dy by dx of y is nothing but dy by dx. Why I am saying this here? As they are asking to differentiate this, I taken this function as y na. Differentiation of this is nothing but dy by dx. So given function I taken as y na, where I need to stop? By the time I'll get dy by dx, there I need to stop. You observe here, y is log x power cos x. What you will do every time at this point? After this, what we will do? In last problem, what we did? We taken logarithms on both sides. So you write here, taking logarithms on both sides. Or else directly you can write, it's not a problem. I am taking logarithms to this equation on both sides. See, log y, log of log x power cos x base c. Now, as usual, like earlier problem, I applied the formula. Logarithm of a power m is m log n. Same thing I am going to apply here. This is as it is. Log y base e equal to logarithm of a power m is m into log a. So what you will get here? This is cos x into logarithm of log x base c. I hope you are understanding. Actually, I want to calculate dy by dx na. To get dy by dx, I need to differentiate this. Now, I'll differentiate this equation with respect to x. Differentiation with respect to x on both sides is nothing but for this equation, you write dy by dx on both sides like this. I hope you all understanding. Now you see this one, again it came dy by dx of log y base c. I don't want to explain here. In previous problems also I discussed the same thing. Can you tell what to write here? Yes, can you tell what to write here? Yes, 1 by y into dy by dx. dy by dx of log y base c is 1 by y into dy by dx. Now you see here how to differentiate. Here product of two functions is there na? So product rule. What is product rule? Best thing is you write first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. Okay. So first function cos x into derivative of this one. See d by dx of log x base c. Chain rule differentiation plays very important role in this differentiation chapter. If you not learn chain rule differentiation, this is going to be complicated only. Look here, chain rule differentiation. You imagine this as x. What is derivative of log x? Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So you imagine this as x, it looks like log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x, 1 by, here in place of x log x is there, into which one you imagined as x, you need to differentiate it. Derivative of this is what? Derivative of this is 1 by x. So derivative of log x base c is what? 1 by log x into 1 by x. So derivative of second one, what you will get? 1 divided by log x into derivative of log x is 1 by x. I hope you understand this. If you do not know chain rule differentiation, you may feel difficult to understand this. So first learn chain rule differentiation. First function into derivative of second function is over. Plus second function. What is second function? Log of log x base c. Second function into derivative of first function. Derivative of cos x is what? Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. We learned this in differentiation formulas. So actually what I need to calculate dy by dx. You look here, dy by dx is there. From this I can write dy by dx. You just take y to the right hand side. Dy by dx equal to, you take y to the right hand side. What is y? Y is log x power cos x. So I'll write that log x power cos x into, if I simplify this, what I'll get? Cos x into 1 is cos x whole divided by x into log x, okay, plus this one, plus of minus is minus logarithm of log x base c into, so what is remaining here? Sin x is remaining into sin x. So what they are asking in the question? They are asking to differentiate this. As I taken this function as y, I need to calculate dy by dx. I got dy by dx. So this expression is the dy by dx. I hope you understand this class. What you need to know from this class? When given function is product of two or more functions, to calculate its derivative, we use logarithmic differentiation. Second point is, when given function is of the form f of x power g of x, then to differentiate it, we use logarithmic differentiation. So how to differentiate it, all those things we learn in this class. Dear friends, please drop a like to this video. I'll be very happy and I'll get more energy to create many videos. And don't forget to share these videos with your friends. In case if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe now. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.